Hello Heavy Metal Maidens and Masters, I'm Heavy Metal Momma, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another episode of Transformation Tuesdays. Today we are doing a goth accessory DIY. In particular we are doing sunglasses and hats. But before we get to that, remember to like this video, comment down below if you want to discuss anything to do with the transformation, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, hit that notification bell so that you can find out every time I upload, and if you're new to the channel, welcome! Lovely to meet you. So, on this episode of Transformation Tuesday, I wanted to turn some very boring sunglasses and hats that I've bought from various different shops and make them a lot more gothy. So this is a pair of Primark sunglasses. These were £3, nice cat eye ones. These are a pair of band sunglasses that I've had for a while, but they sell exactly the same pair now in Primark, which is what made me go, I've already got these sunglasses, I'm gonna do these ones up too. I bought this hat in H&M, I want to say last year. This is a felt floppy hat, and I think I bought this hat the year before, or it might have been last year, in New Look. I think the two hats were about £10–12, I wouldn't have paid any more than that for it, and both pairs of sunglasses in Primark were £3. So, we've got some charms, we've got a glue gun, we're going to make these gothy. So, stick around and watch the transformation. Okay, so for this make we have assorted charms, 2 different pairs of sunglasses, 1 glue gun, and my 2 different hats. So, first thing we're going to do is I'm going to take these sunglasses and I'm going to attach these charms using the hot glue. Ta-da! That was super duper easy. Right, next set. Okay, I found these, which are awesome. And these are like the newest style. I think they're, Band came up with them first, but Primark have pinched them, I'm afraid. So I think, just like that, will look fabulous. So, ta-da! I'll wait for them to dry in a minute and I will give you a try on. Right, let's do the hats now. Now, I've made sure that both of these hats have got the gross grain ribbon bands. You could do it without, but this will just make it so much easier. So, I found these cute little bats. So I'm thinking, do we do bats and pentacles? Yeah, I quite like that. Pentacle, bat, pentacle, gat. Yeah, let's do that, right. And the beauty of this is, as well, because you've just stuck it to the band, if you really hate it, just take it off. Been sparkly glue in this glue gun. I've obviously been doing something that involved sparkles. There's this still sparkly glue in the gun. What do you think? That will scrub off. Cool, right. And for this one. So, I remembered I have these moon charms, as you can see. They're very cute. And I wanted to put them on the hat, so I got my husband to chop off the little hook. There you go. With a pair of wire cutters. So, I have 1, 2, 3 moons and 1, 2, 3 pentagram moons. Cool, so same principle. I'm going to glue them all on. I'm going to make sure that the bit that is cut off is at the bottom. This I will pick off. Oh yeah, look, see, it's coming off. That's the thing about this cross grain ribbon. It's because it's got texture to it. You can really pick at it. Ta-da! There we have it. There. Ta-da! So heavy metal maidens and masters, the easiest thing to do was get closer to the camera, redirect the light, and I will show you what they all look like on. So, off with the headdress, and on with the sunglasses. Oh yes, they are awesome. What do you think? I really like them. Subtle but extra, and not bad for £3 from Primark. By the way, all sunglasses sold in the UK have to be kite marked, which means that they are guaranteed to protect your eyes from UVA and UVB, regardless of whether they're £1 or £100. So, buy cheap sunglasses and stick things on them. You might as well. I sit on them all the time, so I'm not spending £50 on a pair of sunglasses. Let's see what the other ones look like. Oh yes, these are awesome. Look at that. Look at that. That's so cool. Yes, yes, yes. Right. Hat time. Right, this is the felt hat. The one from H&M. Oh yes. Oh yes. Loving it. Gives it that extra vibe. Looks really cool with these. Let's do the other ensemble. Bats and bats. Oh yeah. That looks awesome. Love it. Love it. Oh dear. I feel witchy. Oh, so witchy. Right. I'm going to get back on the sofa. Give me a sec to read to do the lights. Well, heavy metal maidens and masters, what do you think? I'm kind of loving them. They're kind of totally awesome. Oh dear, I feel like a movie star with my dark glasses. Let me know if you've done it. Honestly, it was so cheap and so easy. You just need a glue gun and some charms and something to stick them onto. I definitely recommend it. Such a cheap and easy transformation. Do it, do it, do it. Link me to your pictures on your Instagram, your Facebook, whatever. I would love to see your transformations. Put it down in the comments box. Let me know whether you would do the same thing. Remember to like this video, comment down below, like I said, with all your makes. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell. And remember people, stay heavy.